Today, I will tell you how to install Facebook Pixel on Shopify. First, go to your Ads Manager account through business.facebook.com. Select Events Manager. Select this option on your data sources pages. It will give you 3 options, among which you have to choose Add Code using a partner integration. After you select it, you will get list of partners. Select Shopify. You will get to connect to your Shopify account dialog box. Click on Continue. Scroll down a little bit. Here you will get a Facebook Pixel code. Copy it. Go to your Shopify store. Select Online Store option. From drop-down select Preferences. After scrolling, paste your Facebook Pixel ID here. Hit Save. You have now installed Facebook Pixel on your Shopify store. See how easy it was? If you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Till then, it's a goodbye.